Hey Ian, I'm a fan of Ethereum, but want to continue building a portfolio based on the annual balanced indices. What's your opinion on either option for a long-term holding strategy? Okay, so option between Ethereum and, I would say do both. You can have multiple indices, right? So I know some people, some customers who have maybe two or three indices they're following, maybe one for long-term, one for short-term trading, or maybe some are just doing one long-term, but also have a different part of allocation towards coins they like, such as Ethereum or maybe some new altcoin or what have you. So you can do both, right? You definitely don't have to be limited to just going into one index. Bill, what do you think?
Okay, I completely agree. In other words, I think when you trade or when you do like annual investing, literally you're going to want to go to tokenmetrics.com. You're going to want to look at our value quarterly and annual indices. And, we're coming out with new grades, but I'm really interested in what we have for like things like monthly trader. Like what did the AI see prior to the election? Right? Quarterly also updated recently. So I think, and I did it a little bit on the PowerPoint earlier, and I want to make sure our customers get value. So I don't want to put the whole thing up for free on YouTube. But I do think there is a way to build a portfolio where, you've got your Bitcoin and your Ether, right? And probably your chain link. But there's a way to not only put 3 or 4 more Bitcoins that we have in those portfolios, and then just start adding a whole bunch of alts onto it as well. So you can take our portfolios, but I think we're in a space where using what we do to build your own could be very effective, especially when we're in this like sort of BTFD mode where, the dips will be scary.
Yeah. And we're almost getting ready to launch the new grading system, totally revamped to be a lot better, the quant grade and trader grade, and also a new way to allocate capital more efficiently with the indices. So that will be coming this month. So stay tuned.